Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can install R Hadoop. For that guys, add this command brew install R, click on enter. So we installed R. So let's see the R version here. So it is 4.6.1. Okay. I just type R here. So it will start programming of R. Here we'll write a program. Let me write print hello students. It will print hello students here. Let's add variables. Name is as a age 30, print name and age. Click on enter. So it has got the name and age. I'm taking a variable of marks. Click on enter. So it will give the marks. Now I want mean of marks. Click on enter. So it will give the mean value of this entire 70, 80, 90, 75 and 60. That is 75. So let me create a new window. CD desktop. I'll just write nano students.txt. Click on enter. Control X, Y and enter. So student.txt is created. Click minimize this. Now I want students to read in desktop. Click on enter. Now just type students. It will give you the list. Click on enter. See John, Alice, John, David, Alice, John. Let's say if you want to take a table of students, click on enter. So you'll get Alice has been typed twice, David has been 1, and John has been 3. I'll add the entire code in the GitHub file. Guys, if you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.